Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out this cool product called the Nucam 380. It's a cell phone app-controlled hidden camera LED light, more or less a hidden camera. It does offer LED light capability, but not really to really see. It's not like a regular LED light that these lights are shining on to me. It's more of a hidden camera type of thing. It looks like a light. I mean, you can see the camera right there. It's a kind of a fisheye look, 360 degrees. It also records in H.265. I cannot import it into my video editing software to show you, so I'll have to customize something to show you what it actually looks like when it records to this device. And I'm plugging in a micro SD card on the side here. It's a very interesting product. Offers the ability, if you need to extend it, it does extend out another 1.25 inches or so. If you have it in a hi-hat, you need to drop it down a little bit so you don't see the edge, the inside edge of the hi-hat. It has also two-way audio communications. You'll be able to communicate with the person in the house and then hit the microphone and talk back and forth, a two-way communication. I like this product a lot. I can definitely throw this in some place where I could actually monitor or talk to my kid if need be. I find that a huge plus. The ability to be able to talk to him, to be able to see him, make sure that he's home playing his Xbox perfectly fine, and then I can actually talk with him with the camera and talk back and forth and just say hello and see how he's doing, that kind of thing, which is great. So this is more of an inside type of product. I do like the fact that it actually can spin. I'm going to give this a 4-star rating. So it is some sort of proprietary with that capability with the H.265. Not a deal breaker, but I'm going to show you some footage that I recorded with the GoPro, and I'm going to show you some other footage that I did. I like this product. It's definitely going to be a conversation piece, no doubt. You could have 3 or 4 of these around your home to keep tabs on it. The night vision is unbelievable. I'm very impressed with the night vision capability. The night vision only goes on when it needs it. You set it up to automatically, so the camera won't record unless the night vision is turned on. Then if you have additional motion for the lights, then the lights will kick on, and then it goes into color mode. So it's a good product. It works really well. I'm quite impressed. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.